And she took really the masking to the next level because that is art everybody. And hindi lang
Hi, ma'am.
Meron ding helping hand, support from bingo class. Like for example, yung foundation, bingo class, self-tech. Another guys.
so beautiful. Look at that. And she took really the masking
Ma'am, diretso lang po.
because that is art everybody.
Nice party
This
dito.
is not yet over. Our
Alright, thank you.
evening is just beginning because we are about to see more exciting things
Perfect.
tonight. Marami pong mga bagay ang mag-unfold. Maraming mga pangarap ang mag-unfold. At maraming sasaya tonight because
Barbie. Oh. Pak, manika. Oh, pak. Gumagalaw. Oh. Pak.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the unforgettable, phenomenal superstar, Faith Gallagher. The morning I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little prayer for you. I'm combing my hair now, and wondering what dress to wear now. I say a little prayer for you. Forever, forever, you stay in my heart, and I will love you forever, forever. And never, never will, but how I love you. Together, together, that's how it must be to live without you. Would only in heartbreak for me. Can't just take time and all for my coffee break time. I say a little prayer for you. Forever, forever, you save my heart and I will love you forever, forever. And never will, but oh how I love you. Together, together, that's how it must be to live without you. Would only mean heartbreak for me. I say a little prayer for you. Forever, you stay in my heart and I will love you. Forever, forever, and never will, never will. Together, together, it's how it must be to live without you. Heartbreak for me. Believe it. Only there is no one. There is no
Jonas na nagmahal.
Favorite ko yun. Alam mo itong favorite ng mami ng tatay ng mami. Ang tatay ko ng mami.
Ang mahal na
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Iconic na yun ng John. Thank you. Dance! I wanna dance! Performance ngayon ba? Wow. Adulting na kasi. Wala na ako good time. Ay, meme. Meme.
I meet you. Hello po, sir. Are you the man I need? Yes. Oh, yes. Hello, hello. Are you the one?
Yes.
How? Like, oh, to the M, to the G. This is so unreal. Magkaparas ba tayo ng magulang? Hindi, birthday lang. When's your birthday?
April.
Last time ng pinanganak, I think you're the man I need. Are you single? Huwag na natin sagutin. Lalayo na tayo. Alright. I'll play my next song since aabangan nyo ang napakaraming malalaking artista, of course, na dala ng Bingo Plus. Para ma-entertain ang ating mga kabibit.
Kim, ang ganda mo. Hi, Kim!
Pahingi naman nung napakalaki ng water.
Sure, ibigay ko sa Kristen.
Pretty ako dyan sa camera.
Kristen ko kay Sir Mong. Ah, si Kim pala naka...
Punta tayo dito. May kakamustahin lang tayo. Tagal ko na silang di kinakamusta eh. Uy! Kumusta kayo, ha? Kaya magtampo, ha? Kumustahin lang natin sila. Bandang people, oh. Kumusta kayo, ha? Saka na tayo lumabas, ha? Busy amo nyo sa ano eh, sa gravel eh. Oh.
Pinabati ko ng maligayang kaarawan ng aking kaibigan na si Jim Lloyd Pescaderia, Tambot. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Ginoong Tambot. Tambot sa iyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jim. I love you. Thank you very much for all your love and support. And I'm so happy to be sharing the stage with you all the time. I love you very much. More power. God bless you.